In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a purchase order as closed in QuickBooks Online. Managing purchase orders efficiently is an important part of keeping your business organized, and QuickBooks Online makes this process simple and accessible. Whether you're finalizing a completed order or cleaning up your records, knowing how to close a purchase order is a key step toward maintaining accurate financial records. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or you don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a search bar with a magnifying glass icon. Click on that search bar to activate it. Once it's ready, type the words purchase order into the search bar. QuickBooks Online will generate a list of relevant options for you. From this list, select Open Purchase Order List. At this point, QuickBooks will display the full list of open purchase orders. Depending on the size of your records, the list may take a moment to load. Once it's visible, your next step is to locate the specific purchase order you want to close. You can do this by scanning through the list manually, or you can use the sorting and search tools available to narrow down the results. When you find the purchase order you need, click directly on the purchase order number to open its details. With the purchase order details now on your screen, look for the purchase order status field. This is where you'll update the status to reflect that the order is closed. To do this, click on the drop-down menu within the Purchase Order Status field. A list of status options will appear. Select Closed from this list. Once you've chosen Closed, you should see the status update immediately on your screen. Take a moment to confirm that the change has been applied successfully. This ensures that the purchase order is now marked as closed in your records. Finally, navigate back to the Open Purchase Order list to double-check that the purchase order you just updated no longer appears on the list. If it's no longer visible, then you've successfully marked it as closed. From here, you can either continue working on other tasks or exit QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.